Sloths are tree-dwelling mammals famous for their slow movements and laid-back lifestyle. They live in the tropical forests of Central and South America and spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees.
There are two main groups:
two-toed sloths,
three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth.
Despite the names, both actually have 3 toes on their back limbs. The difference is in their front limbs.
Why are sloths so slow?
Why are sloths so slow?
Because they have
A very low metabolism,
a diet mainly of leaves which are low in nutrients.
energy-saving adaptations to survive. On minimal food, their top speed is only about 0.24 km/h.
Up came the heat,
Life in the trees,
love in the trees.
Arboreal, meaning they live in
They
trees.
sleep
20 hours a day,
they rarely come down.
about once a week to poop.
Their long claws help them grip branches effortlessly.
A tiny ecosystem,
Their fur hosts algae